Alright everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be doing an interior lighting kit by Diode Dynamics for this 4Runner. To continue the series on this 4Runner's build. 4Runner's pretty dirty, we just got a lot of snow here in Utah. Okay, so the reason we do a interior lighting update is just to get rid of these old halogen style bulbs that don't have very much light output. The LED is a much better option, it'll light up the cab better, it's a lot more modern, and really it changes the interior of your vehicle. It's a night and day difference. So all you're going to need for this install, tool-wise, is a single pry tool, like a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Okay, so we're going to start right up here with our map lights. In order to take these off, you just take your pry tool, you're going to put it in right up here up top, and you just kind of want to get these off. So the best way to remove these is going to be either with your fingers, just kind of pinching them to get them out, or the way that I prefer is to use a piece of tape and you kind of wrap it around the bulb and then you'll pull it out. For our map lights, we're going to be replacing them with HP5 bolts from Diode Dynamics. We're going to go with the cool white, but we also grabbed the red ones to show you guys what they look like. A common question we get is, why would you get the red lights for your car? And the reason for that is that during the nighttime when you turn on your light, it will eliminate all of your night vision, but red light doesn't do that. So if you are looking for something that you can kind of turn on while you're driving or turn on while you're camping to not affect your night vision, the red light is definitely the way to go. For the install, it's really easy. This should just go right back into the same slot that you just pulled your halogen bulb out of. Just like that. Okay, so we'll go ahead and replace our lens covers now. They should just slide right back into the existing spot. Like that, and your light works. Okay, it's pretty clear to see that the white one is much brighter than the red, but the red is really nice for, like I said, nighttime. So we switched it back to the white one, and the difference in the lighting already with just doing these is crazy. It's so much brighter in here than the stock bulb. Next, we're going to do our vanity bulbs, and as you can see, the bulb difference between these and those is already crazy. So you'll take your pry tool, and there's two clips on either side, so you just kind of want to pry it off on one side, and the other side should just click straight off. Okay, so then in the next part, you'll just take off your bulb. It should just slide out like the other ones. And we'll be replacing these with LP5s as well. Slide it up into here. So once the bulb is replaced, you'll replace your plastic cover. You just want to put it on one side, and then you'll click on the other side. So for this one, we're going to need to remove the entire light bulb housing. So you start by taking your pry tool, just kind of work it in there at the top until you can get in there. That, and then you want to pop out the whole housing, and then this whole thing you'll push this way, clicks out. Take this top shroud off of the bulb, and then you'll remove your bulb and be able to replace your new one. So once you get the old bulb out, you'll replace it with your new LED bulb, and then you put the whole system back together and click it back into the door. And now you'll repeat the process on the other three doors. Okay, so next we'll do this dome light right here. This one's super easy. There's two tabs right here on the inside that you'll use your pry tool. You just kind of slide them in there. You get one side off. Do it to the other side, and then the whole thing should just slide off. Okay, so we'll be replacing this one with an HP6 LED bulb in cool white, and it's a super easy placement. What you'll do is take your new bulb, remove the old one first by pushing back this metal tab, and then replacing it with your new one. Okay, so once you're done with that, we'll put back our plastic piece. For this next one, it's easiest to open up the hatch. And the way you're going to want to replace this light is you're going to want to use your pry tool on the outside of the light itself. There's a little clip that you'll use to get the whole housing out. Your plastic piece will come off first, and then there's the metal clip right here on the side that you will use to help get the housing out. So you don't necessarily need to take the housing out of the door itself, but it just kind of helps to get to the bulb, and then sometimes when you're taking off that plastic cover, the housing will come loose, so it's better just to take it out, so then you can replace your bulb and then put the housing back in the way it's supposed to. So to get it out, you just push down a metal tab, take it out like that, and then replace it with your new one. That. And then to get it back into place, you'll replace your plastic piece on the outside right here by clicking it into place. And then you'll take this back plastic side with the wire on it and push that one up first, and then you'll slide this in until it's back in place. And then you'll just repeat the process and do the same thing on the other side. Okay guys, and just like that, we've got a new interior lighting kit. It completely changes the inside of the 4Runner. We highly recommend this product. Be sure to stick around to catch the next videos in this series. Thank you for watching.